Capturing your adventures is easier when you have the right action camera. I have listed the 5 best action cameras of 2025 that work well for different budgets and types of activities. Whether you're into biking, hiking, or just recording everyday moments, these options are worth checking out. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Number 5. GoPro Max 360. This is the ultimate camera for creators who want immersive, 360-degree storytelling with simplicity and style. It shoots in stunning 5.6K 30 resolution, allowing you to capture every angle at once, then reframe it later to tell your story exactly how you want. The new Universal 1st of April 20 mount means you can now use it with a broad range of accessories, enabling cleaner, invisible pole shots where the mounting gear disappears from view. What sets the Max apart is its hero mode, which lets you switch to standard 1080p or 1440p capture if you want a more traditional format. Its 4 digital lenses, narrow, linear, wide, and the ultra-wide Max Super View, offer plenty of shooting versatility. Sound is equally impressive, thanks to 6 built-in microphones that create realistic 360 audio with enhanced wind noise reduction. Durability is not a question here either. The Max is rugged and waterproof up to 16 feet, ideal for snowboarding, diving, or muddy trail runs. Plus, with voice command capability, you can control the camera hands-free with 12 voice prompts. Bundled with a full accessory kit and microfiber cloth, this is perfect for adventure enthusiasts and pro creators looking for next-level creative control. Number 4. Insta360 X5. When it comes to pushing visual boundaries, this stands out as the best cinematic quality 360 degrees camera in this roundup. Boasting 8K 30 frames per second resolution powered by dual 1 and 1.28-inch sensors, it captures jaw-dropping detail, richer colors, and high dynamic range in every frame. Whether you're documenting mountain climbs or quiet night walks, the X5's triple AI chip architecture handles low-light environments effortlessly, reducing noise and enhancing clarity. One of the coolest features is the invisible selfie stick, which lets you shoot awe-inspiring third-person views that seem impossible, perfect for travel vlogs or action sequences. The Insta-Frame mode gives you instant flat videos, and the AI-assisted reframing ensures the subject always stays in frame. No need to worry about unsteady hands either. The flow state stabilization paired with 360 degrees horizon lock keeps footage buttery smooth, even during full rotations or extreme action. Its new replaceable lenses add to the value, ensuring long-term usability even in rugged conditions. Audio quality is also a highlight, thanks to a 4MIC array and wind guard technology, which ensures crystal-clear voice capture in outdoor environments. If you're a serious content creator or filmmaker, this is hands down the go-to for capturing cinematic moments in 360. Number 3. Akaso Brave 8 Lite. Looking for a solid action cam that doesn't break the bank? This is easily the best value for money camera for aspiring vloggers and adventurers. It punches well above its weight class with 4K 60 frame per second Ultra HD video and a 20-megapixel camera, powered by an Ambarella chip and a 7-glass lens system. Add in HDR video recording, and you get excellent contrast with rich details in both highlights and shadows. AKASO's super smooth stabilization uses a hybrid of hardware and software to create ultra-stable footage, even without a gimbal. Hyperlapse lovers will enjoy its enhanced time-lapse capabilities that work well in fast-motion scenarios. Plus, the dual-screen design with a front-facing display makes vlogging or self-recording incredibly easy and intuitive. Another standout feature is its rugged build, waterproof up to 33 feet without a case, and up to 131 feet with an optional housing, making it suitable for divers and surfers. It also comes with a wristband remote control for easy shooting in all environments. With an ultra-wide 166 degrees field of view, instant portrait mode, and Wi-Fi connectivity, this is a budget-friendly powerhouse for content creators who demand professional features without the pro-level price tag. Number 2. Apex Cam Action Camera. This one earns its spot as the best all-rounder with zoom and remote control functionality, offering impressive features at a competitive price. It captures crisp 4K 60 frame per second video and 48 megapixel still photos, which is impressive at this price point. With 8x digital zoom, you can get closer to the action without physically moving, a rare feature in budget action cams. It's ideal for motorbike vloggers or dashcam users thanks to its driving mode and pre-recording capabilities, which let you automatically capture moments before hitting record. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens ensures a broad field of view, while modes like looping video, burst photo, and time-lapse add versatility. The included 64GB microSD card saves you the hassle of an extra purchase, and Wi-Fi and 2.4G remote control options make it super convenient to shoot hands-free from up to 15 meters away. It's waterproof up to 40 m with a housing, making it ideal for snorkeling, kayaking, and other water sports. Paired with dual rechargeable batteries and multiple mounting accessories, this is a complete action camera package for casual adventurers or anyone wanting a reliable second cam for sports and outdoor fun. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Taking the top spot as the best overall action camera, this is a pro-level tool designed for creators who demand excellence in every frame. Featuring a large 1 or 1.3-inch Gizmos sensor, it excels in low-light situations, making it ideal for night biking, urban exploration, or dimly lit vlogging scenarios. The 4nm imaging chip ensures snappy, precise tracking and framing, even in challenging lighting conditions. It supports 360 degrees horizon steady stabilization, which delivers ultra-smooth footage no matter how wild your movements get. The dual OLED touchscreens are not only vibrant and sharp but also offer intuitive control over framing, settings, and playback. You get up to 4 hours of extended battery life, ensuring long shoots are covered without frequent swaps. For audio enthusiasts, the DJI MIC2 or MIC Mini compatibility means you can capture studio-level sound wirelessly, directly, and without a receiver. This makes it a dream setup for vloggers, motorcyclists, or filmmakers looking for convenience and audio quality. The adventure combo includes multiple batteries and versatile mounts, making it ready for any terrain. From stunning visuals to reliable audio and unmatched build quality, this is the all-in-one solution for professional videographers and content creators who refuse to compromise. Whether you're diving into deep waters, hitting the mountain trails, or capturing everyday thrills, the top 5 action cameras of 2025 are built to match every budget and every adventure. These compact powerhouses pack serious features to help you record life's most epic moments in stunning detail. To score the best deals on all the cameras we covered, make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow adventurers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content, tips, and reviews.